Hello, everyone. Today we are going to continue on with Unit 11, talking about the adjectives. All right, so if you can please look in your textbook, English in Action 2. Let's look on page 198. Okay, at the top of the page here we have a chart. Here are some very good adjectives that describe people, and especially maybe your co-workers, talking about workers. Okay, so let's go over pronunciation. This video today is mostly going over some new vocabulary words and pronunciation. Okay, the first one over here, efficient, hardworking, lazy, relaxed. Look at this guy, he looks very relaxed. Responsible, serious, unprofessional, unreliable. This guy is relaxed. Opposite over here, she is hardworking. All right, on the next page, page 198 199 at the top, we have more words talking about jobs now. Okay, we've got boring, dangerous, difficult, easy, exciting, interesting, noisy, quiet, safe, stressful. All right, so we'll have a chance to talk about the definitions in just a moment. I just wanted to show you in your textbook where all of these words are. In the blue box here on page 200 at the top, let's go over these three words here. Actually, sorry guys, we have, oh yeah, we might as well go over these. Careless means not careful. Punctual, he is punctual, means on time, not late. Inexperienced means not experienced. And then the last page that I want to show you in your textbook is on page 204. We have two paragraphs here about two family members. There's the title, okay? And just a couple of words here I want to show you. Organized, organized. Okay, she cleans and vacuums. Her home is very clean and organized. The opposite of that is disorganized. Okay, and also we have messy or not neat, and messier is the comparative form of messy. And we'll go over that in the next document, which is, let me try to find the next document for you over here. Okay, and I will post this on the work for you guys today. All right, here are all the definitions of the words that I just read. Okay, we have athletic, someone who likes to exercise and play sports or play sports. There's an example. Sociable means someone who likes being around people and they like talking to people also. Here's an example. Conservative, someone who has a traditional way of thinking, okay? This person who is conservative, they don't like change. They don't like new ideas, okay? Especially talking about politics or religion. Talkative means someone who talks a lot. Modern means new, not in the past. The opposite of modern would be old, okay? Talking about buildings. The new building is so modern looking. Original means very different, not the same as anything else. Okay, the painting is an original Monet. It is not a copy. Unusual means different, not the same as anything else. On page 198, the words that I read to you were efficient, someone who works quickly and carefully. Responsible means someone who can be trusted. Unreliable is the opposite of responsible. Okay, this person is often late, for example, and they don't do what they say they will. Unprofessional is the opposite of professional. This person is too casual. For example, he's a lawyer, but he acts so unprofessional. For example, he wears blue jeans all the time. The way that he talks is unprofessional. Okay. And on page 204, there were the two words there. Organized means someone who plans things carefully. And then also messy is the opposite, is not neat, not clean. All right, so those are just some really great adjectives describing people or jobs. Thank you.